Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will make this model today. Okay, so just do it. Let's get started. And then you must twice click on your NX Siemens. Okay, waiting for opening the NX Siemens. You can see motorcycle, cars, people, and people. Maybe see ships, maybe. Okay, waiting for opening. Okay, still open. And then you can click new. After click new, give the name of file 3.14 ms clamp. Enter. Okay, waiting for the process. Okay, I will go to snipping tools. Okay, I will make this first. Okay, click sketch. Click this plane and then okay. Okay, after that I choose this line profile. Click from this, 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 and this. Then give the dimensions. From this to this is 75. I make divided into 2. Click this, this. Okay, 75 divided by 2. Okay, after that from this to this is 35. Okay, same. Click this and this 35 divided by 2. Okay, and then from this to this is 63. Click this 63, enter. Then from this to this is 20. Click this repeat dimension, click this, then the okay, sketch is over defined, over constraint, and I will delete. Okay, for this is 63 minus 38. Click this to this, then 63 minus 38, enter. Okay, sketch is fully constrained. I'm going to mirror that. Click mirror curve, click this one, and this one. After that select center line. Okay, like that, enter and cancel. Okay, after that I'm going to finish sketch, going to the trimetric view and then extrude for 75. Click extrude, click this line, 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 also this line, this, and then waiting for 3 points like this and this. Okay, after that I'm going to the trimetric view again, and then I select symmetric value, and then 75 divided by 2, or divided by 2. Okay, there, and then cancel. After that I will draw this bar. Okay, I select sketch, select this, and then okay. After that is this line from this to this, and then from this to this, and then you give this dimension. Pick this line, pick this point to this line, 28. Okay, after that from this to this is radius, this radius 32. Take this, from this to this is 32, something like that. And then I will choose this line, right click, and then convert to reference, and then I will go to the mirror curve, and then choose this line, select center line, I choose here, and then click apply and cancel. Select this line again, select this to this one. After that I'm going to the convert to reference, select this and then apply. After that cancel, finish sketch, and then going to the trimetric view, and then I will choose the extrude command, just this line, this line, this line also, and this line, sorry, this line. I'm going to the symmetric, and then give the thickness is 21 divided by 2. Okay, already done. Click apply, cancel, and then start sketch again from this, like okay. After that you draw from this is 25, 45. Okay, select this line, select this to this, and then give the dimension is 45. After that you must make this hole, the diameter is 25. Select this circle, select this and give the dimension 25, enter, and then I will make the big circle like that. From this from this will give 50, enter. Oh no, 32 twice. 32, enter. 32 plus 32, and then I will choose this line, from this to this. I will select this line and this, select the tangent, select this, and then select okay, no problem, Ctrl Z, and then I also select mirror curve, select this line, select the center line, okay, and then I will trim select quick trim this, so this one and this one. Okay, close. Sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Going to the extrude. Okay, I forget one sketch. You must make again the line from this point to this point, then finish. After that, going to the trigonometric view, going to extrude, select this circle, also this line. Okay, after that I will give the dimensions. The thickness is how many? 19. Okay, 19. Okay, select apply and then cancel. Okay, I will mirror this. Okay, select the more and then select the mirror filter. I select this filter, select plane. I select this plane and then apply. Okay, already done. Okay, I will check this first. You must select unit and then okay. After that I will hide this line. I'm going to the view, show and hide, and then select the sketch datum, and then I'm going to trigonometric view, and then I will change with the render setting, and then global material I select this. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you on the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to enhance the subscriber, and then enhance the more video tutorial with NX Siemens software. Thank you.